Strategies for investing in real estate with little to no money. Investing in real estate can be a great way to increase your wealth, but it's not always easy to do if you don't have much money saved up. If you're wondering how to invest in real estate with little to no money, there are a few strategies you can use to get started. In this video, we'll discuss some of the best strategies for investing in real estate with little to no money and how to make the most of your investments. Number 1. Lease options. This option allows the investor to lease a property from the owner with the option to purchase it at a later time. Here's how to invest in real estate with no money through lease options. Once the lease option agreement has been signed, the investor can then lease the property to a tenant, ideally for a higher monthly rent than what they are paying to the owner. The investor can then use the difference between the rent they collect and the rent they pay to the owner as their profit. Number 2. Owner financing. Another way to invest in real estate with no money down is through owner financing. With owner financing, the seller of the property becomes the lender, and the buyer, you, pays them directly for the property over time. Owner financing is beneficial for both parties because it allows the seller to sell their property quickly without the need for a traditional mortgage or real estate agent, and it allows the buyer to purchase the property without a down payment or having to go through a bank. Number 3. Wraparound mortgage. Another strategy for how to invest in real estate with no money is through a wraparound mortgage. This is when an investor takes over the existing mortgage on a property and then sells the property to a new buyer with a higher interest rate, allowing the investor to profit from the difference. The investor becomes the middleman in the transaction, earning income without having to use any of their own money. Thank you for watching.